So in this video, I am going to tell you that how you will make seven-figure income as a copywriter. Okay? And I know that you don't believe in these things. And I think that is quite right. Until and unless you don't experiment things or you watch things from your own eyes, you will not believe. And I respect your thoughts. Okay. And thank you so much for opting for this free course of copywriting so that you can understand the amazing power of words of persuasion system. Now focus here. First of all, let's understand what a copywriter do. A copywriter do sales for an entrepreneur or for an agency or for a business. Now, why copywriters are paid so high, guys? For example, there is one person who is running Facebook ads. He is spending 1000 rupees a day so that he can have at least 100 people in his workshop, let's say. Now he is spending 1000 rupees to get 100 people in his workshop, but he is able to only achieve like 30 to 40. Now as a copywriter, you will improve or you will help that person to go from 30 to 100 leads by changing or by improving his copy or by writing a copy for him. Now how you will charge for it? What you can say, hey, I will be charging 10,000 rupees or 12,000 rupees writing straight a copy for your workshop, and once you achieve 100 leads or like 100 leads 5 times 6 times, I will charge just 10% of your entire profits or like 5% or 2% of your entire profits when you make money from by selling some of your product in the workshop. Once you bring in the concept of percentage, that person starts to believe in you more. He believes you more. Why? Because you are also playing on percentage, on numbers. That person believes that, yeah, if this person is saying this, it means that he believes in stuff. Okay. So first your income is like 10,000 rupees straight into your pocket. You will not spend or give anything from it, any rupees from it like from it to anyone. And second, you will get commissions on it. Now think this concept on a bigger level. There is a new client of mine, or like there is a new student of mine, mentee of mine. His name is Prab Simrat Gill. He's the author of Power of You. He is a 15-year-old child, and he has been the number one Amazon bestseller. But he has not used any sales funnel system to sell his book. Now, what I have done that, hey, I will charge 65,000 rupees to build your funnel, and what you can do that once you achieve 100 sales from our funnel, you will give me 10% out of the profits. Everybody wants profits, everybody wants income, everybody wants revenue. And when you fulfill their desire, they have they are happy to give you 10%, 15%. You don't think ki, how who am I to have percentage? You are not writing words, guys. You are printing money for them. Okay. In the same way, think, let's take another example. I can show you also my landing pages. For example, now this is the opt-in page and this is the upsell page. So his name is Santosh Nair. He is a very famous person and you must have seen a lot of ads of him, and he's like speaking massively in his ads. Now they are spending 40-50,000 rupees a day to sell their stuff, but they are not only selling the stuff, they are making huge amount of money from this funnel. Why? First of all, they are giving their free course here, like opt-in. Then they are selling 1000 rupees upsell in it, just 1000 rupees. See here. So both copies are mine. I have written both copies. Now in the same concept, what will happen to you that Bigger clients, big fish, higher clients will pay you money on commissions, and they will also give you money straight as your fees to write a copy for you. Okay, this is the concept behind that this skill is a high income skill in the whole world. That is why people like Dan Log or people like Dan Kennedy or like Sen Vossler, they are able to charge $3,000, $5,000 just to teach this skill. And let me tell you guys, this skill is not like words. This copywriting is equal to selling the products and services via your written words. Okay, now there are four forms of copywriting. You can say four forms or four ways you will make money in by becoming a copywriter. First, you will write sales letters, sales copies, landing pages. Second, webinar copies, और यहाँ पे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ लैंडिंग पेज की, लैंडिंग पेज एंड वेबिनार script also I'm talking about. That whole script is also copywriting. Remember always. Third, emails. Even if you become a better email copywriter, just 2% or 5% better than others, you can easily make 50, 60, 80,000 rupees a month just from your laptop, just by writing few emails. If you just have clients in India, and if you go outside, you can easily make around 1.5 lakhs to like 2 lakh rupees easily just for writing emails. Fourth, you help people write ads. Okay, for a sales letter in India, you can easily charge as a starting person 50,000 rupees, webinar copies 10,000 rupees, webinar script 20,000 rupees, emails 10 to 15,000 rupees very very easily, depends on emails also. ठीक है. And ads, for one Facebook ad you can easily charge Facebook ad copy 2,000 rupees, even 3,000 rupees. And so now these are the basic rates. Like, you do this course, you understand the concept of copywriting. Now you want to just go into the market, you want to have clients, and you can start charging this amount of money. But this is not the magic. The magic comes when you have at least 2 to 3 results. Remember always, result are sold in the market. Okay, now once you are into copywriting field, you have to focus on your portfolio. Remember this word. Portfolio basically means what you have achieved so far as a copywriter, so that not only you speak from your side, from on your behalf, but your results also must speak on your behalf that yes, you have achieved something. Because you can say anything about yourself, but your results never lie, data never lie. Okay, now you need to have at least 3 high end results or clients, successful clients I'm talking about. You can easily charge for the same concept, for the same concept I'm talking about. Like, once you are having three clients successful, you can easily charge for sales letter 25,000 rupees. You can like webinar script 30, emails go to like 20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees. In my case, I am having more than 20 case studies or 20 results, but they never came in just one day. It took me around one and a half year, but I was always consistent. Remember, okay. Now these days I charge for a sales letter around 40,000 rupees. Okay, webinar copies I charge around 20,000 rupees easily. Okay, and webinar script I charge around 50,000 rupees, and there is also commissions. Okay, emails 30,000 rupees a month, and I provide them like 6 plus 4 and plus 4, 14 emails, in which like 6 emails are complete like story based emails, 4 emails are like webinar emails, and 4 emails are content emails. So once you understand copywriting, once you will go into my level 2 program, that is called copyright 7 figure copywriting mastery. I have revealed there the entire concepts of writing emails in very very deep manner. Okay, ads. Oh, 5,000 rupees for a email copy, for a ad copy. And sometimes when I'm into my mood, I just say that I will charge, I will be having like 20,000 rupees for writing 4 copies at least. I I will not write one copy for. ऐसा भी होता है that you say to your client that I don't want to write only one copy, I will write at least 4 copies for your product or services whatever you are selling, and I will charge at least 20,000 rupees. That's how you become a 7 figure copywriter. Now even if like let's say after 90 days you are having 3 to 4 clients, 3 to 4 successful results on your dashboard. Now for example, your first client comes, you write a sales letter for it, you charge 40,000 rupees plus 5% commission on first 100 sales of that product. It can be like someone selling book or course, low ticket item, or it can be a high ticket item also. You have permanent client of a, like you are writing emails for a client who is paying you around 20,000 rupees a month. And third, you are helping someone in their webinar, writing their webinar script, writing their lead generation pages, workshop pages, and that person is paying you around like 15,000 rupees a month as fixed, plus you are having around like 10% commissions out of it. Let's say in this concept you made around 90,000 rupees. Now when I say 90,000 rupees, now this project must go on at least 1 month continuously. In the same way, 20,000 rupees plus commissions. Here I forget to mention like commissions. So let's say your client is selling some advanced stuff to your to their email subscribers. 5% commissions out of sales. Copywriters are always up after sales. They are not here to teach something. They are here to sell, to increase revenue. Remember, okay. You make around 40,000 from here, and you make around 60,000 rupees from here. Now let's 90,000, 60,000, and 40,000. It's like 965 and 4. It's like 9 6 15 और 4 19 1,90,000 rupees. And I am talking only basics. Only basics. Okay. It also depends on you. In fact, it entirely depends on you. ठीक है. This is the concept. And I am talking, I have given you these numbers of Indian version only. Indian version. I have not even included the foreign clients who pay you in dollars. Looking easy? Isn't it? It's very easy. You just have to have this one single skill which can change your life. And don't forget to watch my 3 case studies. Watch this course entirely. I am going to reveal my real income, and I am going to show you my real case studies, how I make 7 figure income as a copywriter. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.